Welcome back to my channel and happy Thursday. So every Thursday guys, I'm gonna be testing out and reviewing new foundations for you guys, or it could be foundations that I've actually been loving in the past that I do wanted to share those with you also. But in today's video we're gonna be testing out these new foundations that actually has a 4.5 stars from Sephora, which is the best skin ever. Excited to try this and been doing a review for you guys to see if this foundation actually worth getting or not. A word test on this foundation to find out how this foundation actually performs on my mature skin, my combination to oily skin. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle, and my passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. So if you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe, because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. Thank you so much for all your support guys. Guys wanted to join me to find out if this foundation from Sephora, the best skin ever, it's actually worth getting. In that way you'll be able to save some money. Please keep on watching. You can actually purchase this from Sephora website. Here in Australia it's actually retail for $32, and this actually has 32 shades available. And in the US, this is retail for $20 and it has 50 shades available. Claiming that this foundation actually has a medium coverage, has a natural finish foundation with a long wearing, and it's an anti-pollution formula that hydrates the skin for up to 12 hours and infused with skincare. The highlights ingredients on this foundation guys, it stated that it has a hyaluronic acid that it actually hydrates. It has a red algae extract that's also hydrates, and it's also got a brown algae extract that actually provides an anti-pollution protective shield. And the actual bottle is actually made from 30% recycled glass. Also it has a 25 mils on the actual foundation, and it also got a pump. Apply two different methods in applying the foundation. One is being a sponge on one side, and the other one is applying a kabuki brush. So I've actually cleansed my face already, and I'm applying a primer now, and the primer I'm using is the CoverGirl TrueBlend Base Business Primer. That moussey texture. Side, I'm just gonna go and apply it using a sponge. The shade that I've got is the 16Y. Okay, I feel like when I'm applying this foundation, but it seems like it's actually start disappearing as soon as I've actually blended on my skin. So I've actually used up one pump already. That's how it looks like guys, just one pump. Lightweight coverage, and it has a natural finish foundation. It also blends very easily on the skin. It's only giving me that radiant look. I'm gonna go and apply the same amount of foundation on the other side using a brush. You can see using a brush, it only picks up a small amount of product compared from the sponge. But when it comes to finish, I actually like the finish of the sponge. I'm gonna go and apply another pump. What I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna go and finishing up the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back. It actually emphasized more of my pores area here guys, and also I've also noticed that the foundation also started to sit on my nose area, which is all my pores areas are be able to fix all this up when I've actually set everything up on my face. Final finish of my makeup. What we're gonna do now guys, we're gonna be wearing this foundation throughout the day, and we'll find out to see how this foundation actually performs on my skin. and to see if this foundation actually a long wearing foundation. So yeah, so I'll see you guys soon. Guys, time check, it's 4:30 in the afternoon. So I've actually been wearing this foundation now for close to 4.5 hours. Okay, so let's just find out what's happening to my skin and how this foundation actually performing at the moment. I can see, guys, you could probably see I started to get oiled up on my T-zone area. See, on my pores area on this side, the foundation actually starts separating. It's probably because of the oil has come out. I mean, my nose is fine. The forehead is actually not bad. And on my chin, so there's only oiled up coming out on my chin, but yeah, but the foundation hasn't moved. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna check in a little bit later on, and you know, so we can find out together how this foundation actually performs further wearing. I'll see you guys soon. Time check is 9:40 at night, and I've actually been wearing this foundation now for over 9 hours. It doesn't look very good, guys. So I actually started to oil up more my forehead now. It gets very oily on my forehead now, and then the pores area here on this side here, it's actually building up a lot of oil, and I can actually see an oil separation where my pores are. So it's actually did emphasize my fine lines here, and so my nose still okay. My nose is started to get a little bit oily. So I can see the foundation on my chin area is also started to separate. This foundation actually not a long wear foundation. Right, so for me, guys, this one's actually not working for me. This is actually not the right foundation for me. And this is probably gonna work if you've got a dry skin. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please comment down below if you used this foundation before, and please let me know what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next foundation review. Love you guys.